Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to open and close your car out of your Volkswagen Golf 4. First step is open the driver's side door. Here we are. Then get down to the pedals. And on the left side you can see a lever. This lever you have to pull. Here we are. Pull it so far that you can hear there is a clicking sound. Then go in front of your car and lift a little bit the car hood on and you can see this lever is coming out. Now pull on the lever, and while you are getting the car hood up, then job's done. That it is how to open your car hood on your Volkswagen Golf 4. To get it back, only let it drop into the lock 20 centimeters above, job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.